This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Natalie staff. Welcome home to this gorgeous, open floor plan nestled on a cut-de-sac in highly sought after Wedgewood. Home is freshly painted inside and out, beautiful and open kitchen with granite countertops, and central vacuum system in home. Vaulted ceiling in living room with fireplace is the perfect spot to cozy up next to the fire, or opt for an outdoor fire in the backyard's fire pit. Close to 485 and 77 freeways, Mountain Island Lake, less than 20-minute drive to Uptown Charlotte and CLT Airport. Home has been very well maintained and loved for. Come see for yourself and hurry, this one won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Natalie staff at 704-807